It's a mysterious ticking noise. Not here, not there. Kinda catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Ron,
Snape,
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley.
Dumbledore!
Ron,
Snape,
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley.
Dumbledore!
Ron,
Hermione.
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley.
Dumbledore!
Ron,
Hermione.
Ron,
Hermione.
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley.
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter,
Ron,
Harry
Hermione.
Potter,
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Hermione.
Weasley.
Dumbledore!
Ron,
Hermione.
Ron,
Hermione.
Ron
Hermione.
Weasley.
Zip Harry, Zip Harry, Zip Harry, Zip Harry, Zip Harry, Zip
Dumbledore. Hermione.
Dumbledore!
Ron,
Hermione.
Ron, Ron
Severus
Weasley.
Snape.
Dumbledore!
Hermione.
Ron,
Hermione.
Ron
Hermione.
Weasley.
Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Yay!
Voldemort, Voldemort, oh Voldemort.
Beep, 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 beep.